Today we are going to look for a beautiful waterfall that is situated in the deep gap between Soinasi Pahar and Bhairav in the district of Bongaigaon, Assam, India. We have to cross the river here as there is no bridge. As we all know, every adventure is not easy one. It is a sunny day today after long rainy days, and the mind is feeling adventurous. The place is rich in flora and fauna, and especially known for the wild boar available here. The place still remains less frequented because of the seclusion of the place and the issues of transportation and connectivity here. There are lots of wild boar that come, and you can see here. So this is a trek. This is a trek. This is the taro that is created by the wild boar. You can see the new pharaohs. So they come out from the jungle and they charge for food here. And there's a lots of treks over here. There is pharaohs created by this wild boar. So if we are lucky enough, perhaps we will meet the wild boar here. So you can see there. In the foothill of this hill, some villagers stay here. So as we are informed, there are 3 families that stay here.
কি গাঁও বুলি কয় বাইদেউ এইটো ৰাওপাৰা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আপনি কি রাওয়া নাকি না রাজবংশী
আমি রাজবংশী
আচ্ছা 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 কেই ঘর আছে ইয়াতে 3 ঘর আচ্ছা আচ্ছা বঢ়িয়া
আমি গাপুরি সহকারে থাকো আর বাকি ঘরে মিনা থাকি
এইটো ইমান ফলটো ভাল ফল দিছে না এইটো
বেগা 1000 কিবা পায় 50 টা ফলছে
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
চালু মুটি বাকি আর
ৰাতিত কি দিগদাৰ নহয় না
দিগদাৰ তো দেখিছো নাই
এই বান্দৰ ঠাণ্ডৰ আহে না কালি চোৰটো বেছি ডিস্টার্ব কৰে না আচ্ছা আচ্ছা বহুত চোৰ আহে না
আর সরি আহে আগা কি কৰিম আলফালু খেতি আহে খাবা
These people known as Rajbangshis, they are the hunter-gatherer. They collect fish, they hunt fish with the jakoi and kaloi. So we are taking breakfast here near that hill. So they live here peacefully. So they have got almost 1000 no ei kiba do ki boli koi
lao
to বহুত আছে না বহুত হইছে
আর ভিতরা আছে আমার
1000 মান হইছে বলে না
বেশি খায়া লায়া মানুই নিয়া মাছৰ বড় বেছাং আর মানু গিলা লয়া রে
So this is called Soinasi Pahar or the Soinasi Hill. So we are going to look for one beautiful waterfall here. So we are taking breakfast here. So they are very friendly and helpful. Cheers. So there are some ingredients here: salt and tobacco. That is for leech. Because while traveling to that waterfall, the leech will travel us. That's why we have made this medicine. So it is very important
weapon for us to go to that jungle. So you can see this brother, he has made this weapon to kill the leech on the way. You can see here. Now we are going to measure the distance of that waterfall from here. Oh, this is 1315 meter. We are still moving inside the jungle. As you can see, this is the stream that is coming out from the waterfall. The water is clean and the crab and different types of fish are available here. The day is sunny and it is very tiresome to climb the hill now. Oh, so this was the forbidden house for the buffaloes. That is called Batan in local language. So this is forbidden now. The villagers, they bring the buffalo in a huge number, and they just let them loose, and they can grazh here and there. And at night they are brought here and kept here, because here there will be no trouble of disturbing someone's farms, because there is no farms here and there, just a hill in the both side. That is why they bring the buffaloes here and store here. Finally, we have reached this place. That is the waterfall. So you can hear the sound. We are on the top of the hill, and after some time we'll be descending towards that waterfall. So we are taking a rest here.
This is the upper part of the waterfall. This waterfall is known as the Deokuwa or the Deoshuwa. As you can see, the waterfall is very beautiful. The waterfall is covered by different types of plants here. The rocks are slippery and mossy. Wow, it is really beautiful. The air is cool and fresh here and feel like staying for more time.
Yeah, really a nice place.
I have got a big crave, but I don't want to take you